Create shift patterns. Here, you will be able to create the fixed working times for your company. Click on the Create New button. Select the group this pattern will apply to. Select the staff position these hours will apply to. Name the shift, example, regular shift, late shift, early shift. Add a color to identify this shift from your shift planning screen. Select the start and finish times in the Clock In Out section. Add the set break time. You can add additional breaks by clicking the plus button. When you are finished, remember to push Add to record the new shift pattern. Back on the staff registration screen, you can now click on the Regular Shift screen. In the drop-down menu next to the day of the week, you will be able to set which of your created shift hour patterns will apply. By clicking on Add Edit Frequently Used Patterns, you will be able to create a template of the working week hours, making it easier to apply this to multiple different employees.